Is this the correct section? PBT. Right. So going back to our week 3 and 4, would you guys like me to make this one available now, or we'll just make this one available next week? Hello? So, either of those two will be okay. All right. So we have now na po. We have next week, sir. What about we have a votation by parang mas mabilis bilangin. Nasaan ba yung participants? Right here. Okay, wait a second. So that's it's easier for me to count. So to those who would like me to open or make the week 3 and 4 available now, please give me a thumbs up. Only 5, I think. So 6. I think hanggang 6 lang. Hindi ko na, makabisado kasi nawawala agad. Okay. I think dapat sabay-sabay ko para malaman ko kung yun talaga yung tamang bilang. Anyway, I think the highest is 6. Okay, 6 counts of thumbs up. What about those who would like me to make this one available next week? Okay, so I think that's obvious. Okay, anyway, so don't you guys worry. So week for the module 3 is, for week 3 and 4, so you still have a lot of time. So right now we are already at week 3, and then making this one available next week is still a good, thing to do, since we are not that behind in our schedule. Because after that week, okay, so we not only have one tab left, which is for the week 5 and 6 before your midterm exam. Okay. All right. So yeah, that concludes our meeting. So for now, just deal with the week 2 activities for now. So the lab number 3, the module 2, and then the case study. All right. So you guys have 1 week from now. So any questions so far or clarification before we end our meeting?
Done, sir.
All right. Okay, so if you guys don't have a question anymore, one last thing is, could you guys please open your cameras so I can at least see your faces, your actual faces, not just your profile picture. Okay, thank you, Miss Maisel. Oh, you have a nice name. That's a unique name, Maisel. Maisel. Thank you, Miss Grace, Mr. Dindo, Mr. Jairu, Miss Ernestine, Mr. Likias, Miss Lucero. Oh, Aldre, I thought you were a guy. So,
Lalaki pa ako.
ay, lalaki nga pala. Mahaba lang buhok. Nung kanina, kanina lumayo kang ganyan. Ayun, para babae. Magandang lalaki to. Hirap naman basahin na to. Jemima Lane. Okay, thank you, Miss Jemima Lane. Or Jemima Lane. How do you pronounce your name? Jemima?
Sir Jemima Lane po.
Jemima Lane. Okay. Mr. Lester. Thank you, Miss Esther. And Mr. Brian Harold. Okay. Thank you. And Miss Julia. Clarice. Thank you. And Miss Maureen. And Miss Laika. All right. So at least I saw the pieces at least 1/4 of my class. Okay. So thank you so much. So let's just meet again next week. Okay. Hopefully we'll now be able to meet next week without the problem. Okay. So thank you guys for coming. I really appreciate it, even though it's not your schedule for this subject. So thank you so much. Just in case that you have a question, so feel free to message me anytime. Okay. So, goodbye. And Miss Shaira. So, kaka-open na lang yung ating camera niya. So, thank you sa paghabol. At least I saw your faces, guys. So, thank you so much. So, you guys may go now. Okay. A blessed day to all.
Bye, sir.
Bye, and
Bye,
take
sir.
goodbye.
Bye, sir.
Goodbye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye. Goodbye, Miss Grace. And thank you too.